Imagine being able to trust your test suite, not just to catch bugs, but to support every deployment with confidence. With Cypress, you can build fast, visual, and fully automated end-to-end tests that mirror real user behavior and scale with your application. Hi, I'm Karlis Zars, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Advanced Cypress Testing, available exclusively on Coursera in partnership with Starweaver. This course is your practical guide to going beyond the basics of Cypress. Whether you are a Q&A engineer tired of flaky tests, a front-end developer looking to automate user flows, or a team lead building a reliable Q&A process, this course is built for you. You'll learn how to design a modular, maintainable Cypress project structure, use tools like cy.intercept and cy.session to test real-world app behavior, eliminate flaky tests with smart debugging strategies, run your tests in parallel, and generate readable reports with Mochawesome. Through hands-on demos, real project workflows, and practical insights from the field, you will develop skills to build Cypress test systems that are fast, reliable, and easy to maintain. This is more than test automation. It's about engineering confidence into your software delivery process. So if you're ready to take control of your testing strategy, head over to Coursera, enroll in Advanced Cypress Testing, and let's build something bulletproof together. I'll see you in the course.